is Landon. What's the biggest storm you've ever forecasted?
The biggest storm, I'd have to say Hurricane Patricia. It developed on October 20th, 2015, and in just 3 days became the second strongest hurricane on record. The winds reached up to 215 miles per hour sustained. Now, obviously, it didn't affect us here in South Texas, but it was the strongest hurricane in the Western Hemisphere, and it would later hit Central America and do quite a bit of damage. Interesting to see that on satellite. And, you know, we did see some clouds from Patricia, but it's not often you get to forecast the strongest hurricane, second strongest hurricane on record. So great question, Landon. We got